2022 Dodge Charger. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features.
Wi-Fi hotspot,
Satellite radio,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.